I've literally done this take like 5 times now because my OCD is like through the roof right now. But before we get into the video, about a week and a half ago, Slammin' dropped the holiday capsule. Now I'm specifically excited on this drop because the quality of materials that we used for each item are a lot higher than previous drops. So if you want more information on that, watch the last few videos and the link for the drop is in the description below. If for whatever reason you're here for just the title of the video or just the skating in the video, literally fast forward to the first minute and a half and the rest of the video is skating. This is my attempt at pleasing the unpleasable. Hey.
Hey, what place is it? Is it the Fusion place?
It's the, what color is it? Like reddish, beigeish?
It's orange. You want me to go meet you on the balcony?
It's orangish. It's orangish, Dan. There's a gate.
I'll go yell at you from the balcony.
No, he's got it. He's got it.
God, don't trust that.
Ugh.
You got the Mike's Hard, right, Dale?
Yeah, I got the Mike's Hard lemonade, dude.
Mike's Hard ding. I am the world.
Dan, what are you doing here? This is Claire's house.
The real question is, like, what are you doing here? This is Claire's house.
The real question is, why did she just call me Dan when I called for her name?
I thought I was gonna.
What the fuck is that?
You know how hard it was to pretend I didn't know how to get here?
I didn't know my gate code.
I was just like, hey, that's why I was like, yes. Here's your chips.
Oh, thanks.
420 Blaze It. Wait, are you filming right now?
Yeah, I'm filming.
I gotta go, man.
I gotta go, man.
I do work for hot water shower water is what I did all this work.
Are you gonna fix my drain because it's been clogged for a while now?
Do you want me to?
Yeah, will you fix her drain, dude?
Yeah, we like.
Get your dirty Dan
Here, I'll
hands
give you
dirty.
$1 tip because you're homeless.
That's funny because it's true.
You get to use a towel that says Claire on it.
Nice Thrasher sweatshirt, Claire.
Does that turn you on?
Wow.
It's a rite of passage now that I'm dating a skater. I get to wear Thrasher. That's what I've dreamed of my whole life. That's the only reason I'm dating is so I can wear Thrasher.
Well, good job. You made it to the big leagues.
Mama, I made it.
Go, bitch. Do something. Yeah, that's what I thought. You're banned, bro.
Alright. Do a kickflip, Dan.
Dan has a good kickflip. Look at that.
Alright, check out my kickflip, man.
Get in the way. I couldn't see. Dan got in the way. How ironic.
Is it a shape or the shape? Oh my god, it gets worse. He doesn't even make a sound. It's like being held hostage.
Chemicals in the water, they turn the freaking frog gay. Do you understand that? Turn the freaking frog gay. Freaking frog gay. It's not funny. I'm gonna say it real slow for you.
bitches in a mess. Rich so many rock, them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone.
What the fuck? You just ran a red, bro.
No way. Oh my god, you just did that on camera. You're going to jail. This has been sitting on Dan's dashboard for months now. And we're gonna open it up because he mentioned about hanging it from his mirror, so I'm gonna take initiative and do that. Is this bad? Is this like, are feminists gonna yell at me? Oh my god.
Probably.
Are you hearing this?
I'm not a...
Okay, cool. There's a girl on FaceTime right now. She's not offended, so we're gonna do this. Tiger. All right, there we go. Now we got this tampon hanging for Dan's thing.
It's really exciting.
Oh, do they smell good?
Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive. And the world, I'm turning inside out. Yeah, I'm floating around in ecstasy. So all I want for Christmas is you. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm running through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, the sonic call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I wanna make a supersonic woman of you. Hey, hey, hey. Make my wish come true. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Hey, hey, hey! I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars on a collision course. I am a satellite. I'm out of control. I'm a sex machine ready to reload. Like an atom bomb. It's no stopping, no stopping. No stopping, ooh, no stopping. No stopping, have a good time, good time. No stopping, let them try. I just want you on my own. All you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. All I really want is a real good time. And everyone is singing. I hear those sleigh bells ringing. I'm having a good time. Oh my God! I'm burning through the sky. Yeah, 200 degrees.
Almost died. You're insane.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey, just keep it, bro. That was sick. Like, it doesn't get better than that. That was amazing. What the fuck?
Let me see it.
Today was a good day. So here's the thing. I have been skating very, very hard and jumping down and over stuff for the last week, and I haven't given myself a break or time to heal. So I've been sore every single session, and I just force myself to skate. Usually it's so hard for me to skate when I'm sore, but I've been forcing myself to because I'm trying to get back to the level that I was once at, and I need a board really bad. Look at this. This thing is donezo. Literally been focusing on just skating. And oh, Pierre, I've been skating a lot with Pierre. Pierre's the man. This guy right here. This guy's pro as fuck. Give a congratulations down below in the comments to Pierre.
What's good? What's up?
We're leaving. I'm just telling my audience that you're pro as fuck.
Nah, listen. You're not leaving, man. You're coming right back after you guys get some food.
Are we? Tell Dan.
Hey, Dan, you're coming back after you get some food, bitch.
Yeah, you tell him.
Coming back, Dale, or coming back?
I mean,
damn. He just put it on you.
he's just blaming me, bro.
Blaming you.
What the fuck?
So if you don't come back, then I know why. There you go.
Dude, everyone's fucking hating on me like the last 24 hours.
Hey, man.
You say I'm fucking not as good as Ziggy, and
Oh, you're on him.
he's on him. He's like, Ziggy's better than you. I'm like, fuck you, bro.
Listen, I only hang out with pro skaters, dude. You ain't pro. I ain't fucking.
Hey, who invited Pierre? Your boy. Oh wait, no, I meant you a cherry, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, never mind. Mac he offered to help film, and he wanted to come on the session, so we brought the homie on the session, and he's getting initiated into the crew. Anyway, I just want to give a major shout out to Mac for filming all day because he killed it.
Oh, what the fuck's wrong with that?
Angles look good. Thanks, bro. Go follow his Instagram or something. It's like on the screen, I think, if I remember to put it here. Okay.
You gotta say action so I know when to say my line that I just said naturally. You want me to redo it for your vlog. So
Okay,
when.
action.
Hey, when are you gonna start smoking?
No.
Did he just throw those across the room?
Yes, good. Cigarettes are everywhere, look.
He just threw those across the
That
restaurant.
was kind of amazing.
Wow, dude. His teenage angst is coming out. You literally look insane right now. You wearing your hat like Jumanji? You look insane.